boys, there is another topic also given to that term map skills में international airport. So international airport, for example, Anushka asked to sir, in Amritsar is there, so we can know located only place. In this time, they are asking to the another name of the Amritsar. Amritsar के लिए another name. You have to mention to that one. Understand? So this is actually Punjab area. This is the Punjab. So this portion is the Amritsar. They have given the Amritsar. But what is the name of the international port of Amritsar? That is called here Raja Sansi. Please write down to that one. They will ask to that only. They are not asking to the Amritsar. What is the name of the international airport of the Amritsar? Sir, why Amritsar is international airport? Because in Punjab now is totally connectivity to the Canada. है ना, Canada के लिए connectivity is there. So that's why they developed to that one. Earlier all people are to come to Delhi and again Delhi to the Amritsar by flight, domestic flight. Now India made directly that flight service from the international cities. Yes, Pavitra, what is it?
Amritsar or Amritsar?
Amritsar. Okay, pronunciation problem. What is that? Amritsar. ठीक है, Amritsar. ठीक है, Amritsar. ठीक है. So we have to write with that one Raja Sansi. ठीक है, Raja Sansi. This is the airport name of the Amritsar. ठीक है. Next one is that one. Another one. The Delhi also is there. So Delhi में actually there is a two major ports is there. है ना, one it is called here international airport is there and Delhi में है. But Delhi is the only connectivity local flights. International airport is located in Gurgaon का highway line में आपका you can travel to that one. You can see this one. So that is called here Delhi is the Delhi का airport name is called here Indira Gandhi International Airport. Indira Gandhi, ठीक है, Indira Gandhi जी, yes, Gandhi International Airport. International. ठीक है boys, है ना, boys and girls. So please, Delhi में actually they are not asking to Delhi, asking to this one. What is the name of the international port of the Delhi? Given question paper, you have to write Indira Gandhi International. So where is located? So this is actually Delhi. ठीक है? So Delhi का airport name it is called Indira Gandhi International Airport. And yes, Disha.
Sir, in Delhi where is it?
Here given they have to locate this map. So you have to Delhi का नाम आ जाती है. Yes, tell me.
दिल्ली के ऊपर लिख देना.
नहीं, they have given clearly map, है ना, they have given very clearly map, है ना, and that place also located, but you have to write the name, ठीक है, they are asking to that one Delhi locate करते हैं, yes.
So we have to write OT state and
name,
airport
yes.
name.
Airport name, they are asking airport name, ठीक है, they are located, है ना, Delhi is located, but what is the name of the airport name? So sample paper में they have to give it like this only, ठीक है, yes, प्रतिज्ञा.
एग्जाम में वो एयरपोर्ट का नेम देंगे कि हमको नहीं एयरपोर्ट का नेम अपने को बताना
हाँ but you have to write to the airport name.
सिटी दिल्ली देंगे.
Yes, they have to give a Delhi airport. What is the name? So you have to write to that one. Delhi का नाम उसको नाम लिखना पड़ेगा, है ना? From there only. From map skill we have to write to that one. ठीक है? And next one, another one, Mumbai. So Mumbai का एयरपोर्ट, ठीक है, तो मुंबई का एयरपोर्ट
छत्रपति शिवाजी,
yes, ठीक है, so Mumbai airport earlier the Mumbai actually the railway station its name is called the VT Victoria Terminal, है ना, when the BJP government comes their name was changed into that one, now it is called a Chhatrapati, है ना, Chhatrapati Terminal. Chhatrapati Shivaji. The airport name also called here Shivaji. So what is the name is called here? Chhatrapati Shivaji.
दोनों रात में करो। मम्मी से बोलोगे ना, तेरे को मम्मी थी।
Anushka, please get out of my class. Get out. I will call you later. Please, please go outside. Because of this is the recording. Principal sir is observing. Please.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया ना
I have already given instruction to that one. Please.
सर, मुझे लिखना है, मैं पेन कहाँ से लाऊं?
My doubt is that one. This recording is going on. They are sending to your
I'm
parents.
sitting silently. You can.
Okay. So next one is the, boys, please, because the recording is going on, we have sending into your already for so many parents yesterday phone sir, please send to recording classes. So they will observe to that one. And whatever we are lecture is different, but we are discussing all the matters. So it is problematic to your parents also. Okay? Please. If you not understand, stand up and ask me that one. We are so happy with that one. But discussing is different aspect. Okay? Okay, clear? है ना? तो मुंबई का नाम क्या है? What is that one? Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. So what is located? And from this portion is there. ठीक है? And Tarapur also. Anand, where is Tarapur? Come and explain again. I already explained beforely. Where is the Tarapur?
सर गुजरात के नीचे इन महाराष्ट्र
Mathur, tell me where is the Tarapur?
सर तारापुर सर गुजरात के सर 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 ये इधर से आता है सर इधर गुजरात के नीचे इन
Anyway, he tried Mathur, but in Anand, है ना?
बोला तो गुजरात के नीचे महाराष्ट्र
देखो।
है।
Move here. So generally this is the Mumbai. तो मुंबई का सूरत के बीच में मतलब सूरत is actual गुजरात है. But Tarapur is located from this portion. It's completely in Maharashtra region. ठीक है? In Maharashtra region is the Tarapur. Clear? And next one is the Kalpakam. है ना? Kalpakam also nuclear plant of in India. So Kalpakam it is actually देखो. So this is actually in Madras. तो पौंडीचेरी के बीच में this post is the Kalpakam. They are already given here to that one Kalpakam. Don't forget because they all are coming in examination. है ना? Nuclear plants also coming, international airports also coming, major ports also coming. ठीक है? So please and another one Karakpuram. है ना? So that is also in Karnataka में बेंगलुरु का आसपास है. बगा बेंगलुरु here is there. From this portion is the Karakpuram. है ना? Karakpuram some है ना? We have to discuss to that one. ठीक है? So don't confuse to that one. And Chaitanya, any confused? Next one. And Chennai का airport का नाम they are asking to that one. After that Chennai का airport है ना? That is called ये Meenakambam. ठीक है? तो Chennai airport name is called ये Meenakambam. I will tell you that one. That name also why they call to that one Meenakam. Actually Meena means in our language it is called a fish. ठीक है? And Meena means that there is the Madurai Meenakshi temple is there in famous of the Durga temple in Madurai. ठीक है? That's why Chennai people they worship the goddess of the Tamil people. That's why it is called a Meena, है ना? That is called Meena Bakam. Yes.
मीना बकम
Meena Bakam. ठीक है? Meena means this goddess name of the, है ना? Actually in Uttara Bharat people they worship to the Katra, Vaishnavi Devi. Dakshin Bharat people they have worship to the Madurai. है ना? So Madurai is the goddess of the Durga temple. That's why they have to given to that one Meena Bakam. Actually, Meenabakam is the international airport of the Chennai. So why the Chennai is a vast development? Because of the international airport, major port is there, railway network is there. है ना? India में MNC companies they started Ford vehicle. भारत में first time Ford vehicle. Their factory also located in Madras. We have already discussed in globalization topic में
Yes, sir.
है ना फोर्ड व्हीकल महिंद्रा कंपनी से टाई अप किया था 1997 1700 crores of rupees. Imagine at the time है ना फोर्ड व्हीकल 1700 crores है ना. Today we are expect to that one that is maybe 10,000 crores of rupees. Imagine that much of money they have to bring to that one, set up this year only because of Chennai में water facility, water scarcity है. But even though why they have to look at this one, major ports is there, transport is there, airport also.
International.
ठीक है. And next one now, yes, any confused? Anand,
They have chosen Chennai only.
pardon me.
चेन्नई को ही क्यों चूज किया?
Chennai.
कोई सी और जगह को क्यों नहीं चूज किया?
Yes, because of why they prefer to the Chennai, because of the any MNC company they want to land must be cheaper price and labor also required because of I know that my hometown so many people are they working. Chennai में ज़्यादा आदमी जाती है काम करने के, labor also very cheaper and महाराष्ट्र में most labors are available रत्नागिरी district. ठीक है. इन आंध्र प्रदेश में एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज देयर दैट इज देयर इज वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज देयर श्रीकाकुलम. ये इसमें पूरा ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट पीपल आर इन लेबर पीपल. दे हैव टू वर्क विद ए वेरी लोअर प्राइस वर्क. इसलिए क्या है एंड कनेक्टिविटी रेलवे लाइन आल्सो इज देयर है ना 8 आवर जर्नी. एक गाड़ी पकड़ेंगे तो वी हैव टू रीच टू चेन्नई. काम करने के लिए दिक्कत नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इंडिया में एमएनसी कंपनीज आर सेट अप इन पर्टिकुलर इन coastal areas, transportation, labor, है ना, they all are must be required. Anand, any doubt? है ना, understand? I already explained to that one. India में GDP when the globalization India में there are coastal states are use GDP is providing to Uttar Bharat. ठीक है ना? Next one. What is the GDP? Gross domestic product. है ना? Gross domestic product means that one. Primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. In the year they have to producing and purchasing total amount is the calculation. So that it is called a globalization. Sorry, that's called a gross domestic product GDP. So in 11th class they have very elaborated to that one. What is the liberalization? Disinvestment policy क्या है and foreign exchange policy क्या है? We all come to in 11th class में. If you are going to that one economics में they have clearly elaboration. ठीक है? Understand? Clear?
Yes sir.
Anushka Joshi, clear now boys? And next one another topic it is called Kolkata. In Kolkata also there is another name is given to the airport name that is called नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस. ठीक है. तो कोलकाता हियर इज देयर. देखो कोलकाता है. सो इन द कोलकाता का द एयरपोर्ट नेम इज कॉल्ड ये है ना सुभाष चंद्र बोस. नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस. एंड एक्चुअली इन कोलकाता में हुगली रिवर इज देयर. यू नो दैट वन हुगली रिवर इज देयर. रिसेंटली उसको नाम भी चेंज कर दिया ममता बनर्जी. दैट नेम इट इज कॉल्ड ये सुभाष चंद्र बोस सेतु है ना. एंड इंडिया में द बिगेस्ट ब्रिज लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज गंगा रिवर दैट इज इन पटना महात्मा गांधी सेतु है ना. कोई एरिया में नदी में इतना यूज ब्रिज नहीं है. दैट इज इन पटना है ना. सो एंड चंपारण डोंट फॉरगेट चंपारण इज लोकेटेड फ्रॉम दिस पोर्शन. ठीक है. बिहार के ऊपर पोर्शन में आ जाते हैं चंपारण वो. एंड दिस पोर्शन इज कंप्लीटली फ्रॉम दी गोरखपुर है ना. उत्तर प्रदेश का ईस्टर्न पोर्शन एंड उत्तर प्रदेश का वेस्टर्न पोर्शन चंपारण. ठीक है. डोंट कैन एंड खेड़ा एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली खेड़ा एंड दिस पोर्शन इज खेड़ा सूरत अहमदाबाद. ठीक है. एंड थोड़ा सा रेलवे ट्रैक इज डिफरेंट. खेड़ा है दैट इज एक्चुअली बैंक ऑफ दी माही रिवर है ना. Mahi river is there. So that area is a very good agriculture plant. Agriculture land is very good in Mahi river area. ठीक है. I have seen personally, so I know that Kerala what is the problems are there. I have seen. I visited that places. ठीक है. Understand boys? Any confusion to that? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose that is in Kolkata का and recently Modi ji government also visited to the Subhash Chandra Bose birthday anniversary also recently. You know why? Because of in next there is the elections is there in West Bengal. So Modi ji and Amit Shah they have focused to these places. Why? From eastern states now totally covered by totally ruled by the BJP government. Only one state is there. Only West Bengal. If the West Bengal is form this government, so they have a full-fledged support from the northeastern state. And another reason why actually in international issues we are never observed to that one international issue because of the there is the one river is there, Tista river. Have you heard about or not? Brahmaputra के लिए एक river is there, main tributary Tista river. मैं watch Google form में watch किया था. Why the Modi ji very focused to the West Bengal? Because of the West Bengal में एक नदी है that is called Tista river. That is the main tributary of the Brahmaputra river. Actually वो नदी में डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रही है ना. तो बीजेपी इट्स स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 15 years 20 years से चल रही है. बट व्हाट हैपन, ममता बनर्जी गवर्नमेंट दे आर नॉट अप्रूव्ड टू दैट टू डैम टू तिस्ता रिवर. ये तिस्ता रिवर एक्चुअली बांग्लादेश पीपुल दे आर कंप्लीटली एग्रीकल्चरली डेवलप है ना, एग्रीकल्चरली डेवलप. बट इन वेस्ट बंगाल में सिलगुड़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ममता बनर्जी फ्रॉम इन द मानसून प्री मानसून मतलब अन मानसून सीजन में ये वाटर यूटिलाइजिंग टू दी होल एरियाज. बंगाल का पूरा वेस्ट बंगाल होल एरिया इज यूटिलाइजिंग, बट दिस वाटर नॉट मूव टू दी बांग्लादेश. बांग्लादेश समर सीजन में पानी की बहुत दिक्कत आ जाती है ना. सो दैट्स व्हाई बांग्लादेश पीपुल टेक द सपोर्ट फ्रॉम टू दी चाइना. चाइना गवर्नमेंट से सपोर्ट किया था $1 billion दे गिवन टू दी बांग्लादेश. बांग्लादेश को $1 billion चाइना गवर्नमेंट दे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है ना. सो वंस दे आर गिवन टू फाइनेंशियली तो बांग्लादेश टोटली डिपेंडिंग ऑन China. And actually Bangladesh is completely depending on in India. But recently there are statistical changes. Why? Due to the river. वो नदी में एक डैम बनने के लिए $1 billion money is distributed to this one from Bangladesh. So Bangladesh को China support करेंगे तो what will be happen? So and recently Indian government railway line also introduced. You know or not? बांग्लादेश में इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया. Why? चाइना के लिए पूरा भारत है ना रुकने के लिए every area the railway lines roadways are connecting to that one. So that's why if you are connecting to the Bangladesh directly it is to the अरुणाचल प्रदेश. अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक ट्रेन चल रही है अभी. सो क्या है चाइना का हम विद इन 2-3 years में पूरा हम चाइना का कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. इतना statistical politicals are going on from in this region, but we don't know that one because we are living in that one है ना inland areas है ना. तो inland area में हम रहती है, that's why we don't know that one. But आज इंडिया का politics and economical ideas are very good. Yes, Anand Gupta, what is that?
Sir, there is no other river for Bangladesh other than West Bengal.
Brahmaputra is there है ना. But in summer season in even perennial river also water flow is the low. So India में one state is that one rice is growing in 12 months, that is in West Bengal. We already discussed As, Aman and Baro. मतलब 12 months continuously they are doing the rice crop. Generally rice का ज़्यादा पानी is required है ना. So West Bengal असम में क्या करती है ये पानी यूज कर रही है. तिस्ता रिवर को पूरा बंद कर दिया ममता बनर्जी गवर्नमेंट. ममता बनर्जी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते नहीं ये. सो दैट्स व्हाई द बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट टू दी फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल दैट वाटर इफ यू आर रिलीजिंग इनटू द बांग्लादेश. सो बांग्लादेश इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन तो क्या होती है दे बिकेम ए स्ट्रॉन्गर है ना. सो दैट इज एक्चुअली पॉलिटिकल रीजंस में बहुत अच्छा चल रही है ना. एंड ऑलरेडी ब्रिटिश पीपुल दे laid on the railway lanes. British time में all the railway lanes are there, but due to the partition we have the passport is there. So Modi ji they are planning to the reopen to railway line up to Thailand. थाईलैंड तक भारत में ऑलरेडी रेलवे लाइन रोडवेज आल्सो प्लानिंग टू दैट वन. सर व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ चाइना को रुकने के लिए क्या चाहिए? फर्स्ट वन इज द ट्रांसपोर्ट इज द रिक्वायर्ड. भारत में ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं है. चारधाम यात्रा के लिए also started to the railway lane, and up to Sikkim also we have to construct the railway lines are there in India. You know, so these all are comes under to the international airport, international views. So that's why we want to require to the airports also required, railway lines also required, and major roadways also required. And BJP government this call a Bharatmala. You know or not? English we call a national highway, but BJP they call a Bharatmala. मतलब के पूरे एकदम अच्छे सुंदर से रोडवेज आज बन रही है. ठीक है. तो these are the points is there, and Hyderabad one airport name is there. So Hyderabad also is there, that is called a Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. है ना. Even Hyderabad also राजीव गांधी. प्लीज राइट डाउन हैदराबाद का नाम क्या है, एयरपोर्ट का नाम, दैट इज कॉल्ड राजीव गांधी एयरपोर्ट. एनी कंफ्यूज मेजर पोर्ट्स? प्रतिज्ञा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स है ना. इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इज अमृतसर, राजा सांसी, एंड इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल पोर्ट दिल्ली. नेक्स्ट मुंबई इज कॉल्ड छत्रपति शिवाजी, एंड चेन्नई इज कॉल्ड हियर मीनाबक्कम. मीना मतलब क्या है? मधुरा मीनाक्षी, गॉडेस टेंपल. दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव टू गेट वन. एंड सुभाष चंद्र बोस इज द है ना इंडिया का इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का प्रेसिडेंट, एंड ही स्टार्ट द आजाद हिंद है ना आर्मी स्टार्ट बाय द अंडरस्टैंड बॉयज? क्लियर? एनी कंफ्यूज दिस पॉइंट्स? थैंक यू. So map scale is completed, and map scale is the complete to that one.